In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app that's already on your device. Then hit Alarm at the bottom left corner, and to create a new one, hit blue plus icon. Now set up an hour at the top and click on Ring once or Work. If you decided to select Work, you can adjust each day and save it by hitting OK. Then tap on Custom Work Schedule and adjust it to your needs. When you finished, to save your changes, hit Done at the top right corner. Then choose alarm name. Type in whatever you want to, if you want to. Hit ringtone and tap on Allow in this pop-up to continue. Now you can apply one of those options, like Weather Adaptive, or hit on this device and pick any song from your smartphone to apply it as your new alarm one. Hit Vibrate. Tap on No Vibration to disable them completely for this alarm. Hit Sync with ringtone to synchronize it with your current melody. Only system melodies will work if you want to use this option. Or tap on one of those patterns. Now you can hit snooze to decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Use this switcher next to snooze to turn it off or on. Go back, and to save your new alarm, hit Done at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it and pick the best option for you from the pop-up. To make some changes to your alarm, click on it, change whatever you want to, and hit Done. To get rid of it, you need to hold it and click on the Delete button at the bottom. Last but not least, you can also create new alarm and hit Scramble. Then set up an hour. Hit alarm name to label it. Select date to pick it here and save it by choosing OK. Tap on Sound Alert to pick the best options for you. And save them by clicking on OK. Now scroll all the way down, adjust ringtone and vibrate, and when you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!